Hello everyone and welcome friends to this video. Today friends I will show you how to transfer money from Standard Chartered Bank. So guys, follow me in this video. The first step guys you need to do is log in your account. You can see here on the screen, just log in your account. This is the first step you need to do. After that guys, all you have to do, second step, click on transfer or make a transfer option. From here, make a transfer. After that friends, click on choose your amount or transaction here, all information, transaction here, to select between my account or local account or international transfer, and then click your amount you want to transfer. Choose the bank and name and account numbers and click save. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and share this video for more content. And you can see here guys, this is the last step. Choose the account and click this is the successfully transfer. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content.